When you think of the Hoover Dam, you probably picture concrete, engineering, and maybe some dad jokes about how damn big it is. But below the dam, that's a whole new perspective. We took a guided raft tour on the Colorado River, launching right at the base of the Hoover Dam. With Hoover Dam Rafting Adventures, they are able to get closer to the dam than any other tour, really getting a full perspective of just how massive it is. And it was honestly really peaceful, like shockingly serene for being under 6.6 million tons of concrete. And then we floated down the Colorado River between canyon walls that looked like they belonged in a nature documentary. We even saw a few bighorn sheep. A trip to Las Vegas can be a whirlwind of city lights and crazy nights, but stepping out into nature is totally grounding, and it's the kind of break that makes the Strip feel even more exciting when you get back.